Hi everyone, I am Samyami Sangroula, a first semester pre-university student from Sunway College affiliated with Birmingham City University. This is my final project for the computer programming module and I'm really excited to show you what I have built. This is the first real system I have ever created and I have made a whole hospital management using Python and Tkinter. Stick around because I am showing you every feature and every bit of code I wrote myself. So let's start with the system. This system does. It's called a hospital management system, and it allows an admin to manage doctors, patients, and even generate reports in both text and chat format. There are different technologies used in here. Some of them are Python, Tkinter, and Tkinter for GUI, and Matplotlib for the graphs. Similarly, or OOP, sorry. My project includes different files such as main.py, similarly GUI.py, admin.py, doctor.py, and person.py, and also patient.py. Sorry. Uh, s- how the system okay, let's talk about how the system starts. The main file is where everything begins. It creates the main file. This is the main file. You can see it here. The main file is where the everything creates. It creates the default admin and some sample doctors and patients starts. You can see here like Rita Thapa cardiology, Vinod Sharma dermatology for the doctor list, and similarly for the patient list such as Saurabh Shrestha 3098. You can see here, and similarly, the interface, the GUI file is where I design the entire look and feel of the system. I use Tkinter to build bottoms, input fields, and pop-ups. You can see here in GUI, I have built everything. Um, there are different features like manage patients. Okay, there are different feature like patient management, add patients, update patient, delete patients, view patients back, etc. Also, I have added first name, last name, age, phone number, postal code, and symptoms for the patient's patient info. And in doctor.py you can see each doctors is an object that has an ID, full name, department, and can track the patients for appointments. I created a unique ID for each doctor um starting from 1001. You can see here. Similarly, we can go look over the patient.py. In patient.py, patient should inherit basic info like name for the portion.py file, and have a details like age, phone number, postal code, symptoms, and assigned doctors. So now we can go back to the backend logic. I can show you how this system works. Firstly, let me go to the main.py. Main.py is where all the system works. Like when I run the main.py, you can see it shows the admin login, username, and password. My username is admin and my password is 1234. But when I enter a wrong password such as 123 and login, it shows the invalid credentials. When I enter the 1234, my right password, valid password, it shows the admin dashboard. And there are different features in the admin dashboard. You can see such as manage doctors, manage patients, assign doctor, discharge patients, view discharge patients, update admin info, group by surname, relocate patients, report text, report charts, and exit. So firstly, let me introduce you to the managed doctors. So there are different kind of features inside the managed doctors. These are add doctors. We can add doctor. For example, I can say my name Samyami and my last name Sangroula. Okay, specialty. Okay, we can add like eyes. So save. It's saved. Doctor added. So when I click on the view doctor, there is my name, Dr. Samyami Sangroula, eyes. I can go back again. So I can also update doctor from here. Similarly, I can delete the doctor from here. Okay, I want to delete Dr. Samyami Sangrola. So I just have to type the ID for delete. Are you sure? It shows me, are you sure you want to delete? So I just enter yes. So, okay, doctor removed. So when I view the doctor back again, there's not my name. So it is deleted. So when I go back, let's check the manage patients. So when I check manage patients, there are also same options as the doctor management. Here is add patients. I can write patient name, last name, age, phone number, postal code, symptoms, and it is added. For example, Sam, age 18, 16, sorry. Phone number, I can add whatever I like. Okay. Postal code, 13, symptoms, cold. So if I add this, patient added. Okay. Okay, now when I view patients, here is ID number 4, Samsung. Doctor non, it's not assigned. Doctor are not assigned yet. I will show you later on. It's 16, and here is, so back when I want to delete patient. So here I can delete patient 4. Delete. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. Okay. Patient remove. So when I view patient, there is no Samsung. It's deleted. When I go back, okay, now I want to update patient. I have to write the patient full ID to update new first name, new last name, new age, new phone number, new postal code, new symptoms, and it will be updated. So when I go back, okay, let's check other features. There is assigned doctor where okay, if I want to assign a patient one or doctor ID one. Okay, assign. Okay. So when I check the patient view patient, here is Saurabh Shrestha, assigned Dr. Rita Thapa. Beforehand, there was no doctor assigned. After assigned a doctor, it is added now. So this is the feature of this. Similarly, going back, discharge patients. Okay, if I have to discharge a patient, okay, I want to discharge patient ID number 1. So when I discharge it, patient removed. Okay, fine. View discharge patient. Here is Saurabh Shrestha, the which was assigned by Rita Thapa. It's discharged back. So update admin info. Here I can update my admin info, new username, new password, and a new address, and I can save it. Okay, just okay, admin 123 address. I can keep whatever I want. Okay, so admin profile updated. It's updated. Okay. Similarly, going on group by surname. So if I write surname like Shrestha and search it, there is only one Shrestha in the patient list, so it only shows one Shrestha. It group binded the patient. Similarly, relocate patient. It helps me to relocate patient. For example, I signed ID number 1 to a new ID number. Okay, ID doctor ID number 1 patient doctor. So sorry, um, patient ID number 1. So ID number 2 to 1. Relocate. Doctor changed. Doctor is changed. So it's how it works. Okay, report text. There are total doctors, 3. There are 3 total doctors. Similarly, patients per doctors are as this. It shows all the reports in the text format in less wise patients. So let's go back at it. And it shows reports in a chart too. This is really fascinating and it's really new for me. And it shows total doctors, patients per doctors, appointments, illness count, and different things here. So and here is how I exit. There are what I learned here, this was my first programming project. I learned a lot here. I understand how classes work, how to connect logic with UI, and even how to use charts to visualize the data. The best part, I now understand how real system like hospital dashboard work in the backend. In conclusion, I want to say thank you for watching my project demo. I'm Samyami Sangroula, and this is my final year project for computer programming course at Sunway, affiliated with Birmingham City University. I really hope you liked it. Please like, share, and subscribe if you find it inspiring. And remember, this is just the beginning. Thank you. Bye.